I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, from what you can see by the title, it is going to be a slime video. My niece and nephew are completely obsessed with slime, and now I'm obsessed. It's a problem. And also my last video, I was told that I didn't know how to make slime, so I want redemption, and I'm trying again. I do know how to make slime. No. So I'm going to be trying out this kit from Target. It is called Instant Slimegloop, and it's supposed to be really easy. So I'm going to try it out and see how well this works. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. Also, comment down below any other video suggestions, ideas, anything. Go ahead and type. I will respond, and I love kind of reading comments. What else? And make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can always be updated every single time I upload. Other than that, let's get into the video. Alright, so this is what the kit looks like. Oh shoot, I should have brought some scissors. I don't have scissors. Ugh, okay, I opened it. So inside you get, inside, okay, I don't know what we have here. Alright, so inside we have solution. So we have that. We have some activator here. I don't know what this is. What is it? Oh, maybe to pour it in here? Maybe, I don't know. And then we got some glitter. I'm excited about this. And we also got a little like mixing stick. And yeah, I guess this is the cup where you put it. I got my own like old looking cup from my mom's like kitchen where she doesn't use that stuff, so I got that from there. I am gonna lower the camera so you guys can see like what the heck I'm doing, because over here you guys can't see, so you will see my face later. Alright, so the first step is to add the activator. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Ooh, that's a little bit too much for this thing. Oh my goodness gracious. I don't think that was such a good idea. Okay, so this little cup is definitely way too small for it. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my own cup. And I did accidentally spill some, so I'm kind of upset about that. Alright, so now that I have the activator in my little container, I'm going to go ahead and add the solution. So I'm going to, I think you're supposed to use all of it. Let's hope so. I have no idea what I'm doing, you guys. Okay, nothing's coming out. Okay. I'm thinking you have to add all of it. Ugh. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a bit difficult. You know what? I'm just gonna remove it and pour it all in. Okay, I'm just gonna pour all of it into here, because I obviously don't know what I'm doing. Okay, whoever said I don't know how to make slime, they were right. I can't, you guys. This is a lot more difficult than I thought. I'm gonna try to start kind of stirring it a little bit. I think it needs some more of this stuff. It is definitely becoming a slime. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's definitely slimy. Okay, so this is what I'm working with at the moment. I actually had to add my own activator because they didn't give me enough. So I went ahead and added a little bit more detergent onto it. Now it's still pretty sticky. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's still not slime really. But I'm going to go ahead and add my glitter, my holographic glitter in right now. Just because it is sticky at the moment. So I feel like that's the best way to go about it. Hopefully I'm right, because I don't even know what's happening right now. So it's still super sticky. I don't know what's going on. I added all the activator they gave me, and then I also added my own activator, and it's still pretty sticky. So I think we just have to keep on playing with it for a little bit more until it actually becomes manageable. I feel like these kits don't really work. I'm sorry, but they don't. I feel like my slime from the other day was way better than this. You guys, I am back. So I am really sad to tell you guys that the instant slime gloop does not work. And I know people are going to say, because you don't know how to make slime. I can already see my students typing that up. You don't know how to make slime, but I do actually. Now I've practiced many slimes now since that last video, and I do know how to make slime. And the Slimegloop kit does not work. I believe it was around $3 or $4, maybe $5. And I say you should just buy a bottle of glue, get some detergent, food coloring, just do it yourself because these kits do not work. It was a complete mess. There's like a disaster on my little table that I'm gonna have to clean up because I do my makeup here for my videos. But this is basically what it came out looking like, and as you can see, it is incredibly sticky, and that is not how it should be. So I did try to save it by adding my own detergent, but it was not happening. I added a lot of detergent, and it was still not happening. So I would say to just skip the what's it called? Slimegloop, and just do it yourself because this was a mess. And I was having so much trouble that I googled other videos using this kit, and everyone said that it doesn't work. So I can confidently tell you guys that it does not work, and I am 100% sure of it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like these kind of slime videos, let me know. I'm obsessed with watching slime videos and making slime, so I just had to do it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!